received certification at the Life Mastery Institute as a Dream Builder coach, an inspirational and motivational speaker. And she has studied at the best university, the Lubin School of Business.
The first thing I'm going to ask you is to kindly shut off your phones. Habman is my married name, but I am Madiha Fahmi Mbarak Ali Inawi, Inawi being my maiden name. My uncle, who unfortunately is also passed on, lived in New York. He worked for the United Nations, and he became my guardian. So I was lucky enough to move to the United States.
She often tells me, you can do anything you put your mind to it, as there is nothing you cannot do.
You just listen to his words.
I used to think that I could not go on.
Why try to earn as much as you can earn, share as much as you can share? Why try to become all that you can possibly become? Why develop yourself to the full? Why try to do it all? Why try to take on this much responsibility? Develop every skill you possibly can do. Why not see how much you can do, how far you can go? Now here's number 3. Why not you? You've got the brains. You can make decisions. You can study the plan. You can change your life. You can grow immensely in the next few years. You can make your dreams come true. You can build a financial wall around your family nothing can get through. You can become healthy. You can become powerful. Why not you? My very last question on the questions to ponder is why not now? There never was a better time. And what a time now for us to take this dream and not let it die. Take this dream and give it life. Take this dream and breathe into it your own personal spirit until finally it becomes a flame that burns around the whole world.
What do I want? Not what do I need?
I went home from work early one day with what I thought was the flu, and less than 24 hours later, I was in the hospital on life support with less than a 2% chance of living.
Some of you will know what this exercise is about. What is our culprit? Our culprit is our thoughts. Our thoughts. Your thoughts, my thoughts. Our mindset is our thoughts. So your results never lie.
For your peers, same age group as yourself, who have come from similar backgrounds as yourself, and they are probably their next door neighbors for even some of you. And these are some of you would probably call notorious, who come from the areas of Isauni, and some of them come from the areas of Old Town.
Niyo na yake mwanzo ya kwenda sasa Mungu.